Hysterectomy is a definitive gynecological surgery involving removal of the uterus. It can be total, that involves the removal of uterus with cervix, or subtotal, which involves uterus removal and cervix is preserved. It may also involve removal of adnexa depending on the pathology. The safety of this procedure lies on three core surgical principles: clear exposure, secure clamping, and pedicle control. Last one is precise cutting and suturing. Let's discuss the most essential instruments used to achieve these goals. Cutting and dissection instruments. Scalpel handle number 3 with blade that is used for skin, subcutaneous tissue and facial incision. Blade 10 is ideal for long smooth cuts, whereas blade 11 is used when a stab incision is needed. Mayo scissors. These are strong scissors used to cut fascia, sutures, and broad ligament after clamping. Metazembum scissors. These are fine, long scissors for blunt and sharp dissection. Most commonly used in separating the bladder from the lower uterine segment and dissecting pelvic tissues safely. Second step is hemostatic and clamping instruments, for which we use Kelly forceps. These forceps may be curved or straight artery forceps used for clamping bleeding vessels during layer dissections. Kocher forceps. These are toothed serrated hemostat used for firm grip on pedicles, uterine vessels, and tough tissues. Henny clamps. A key pedicle clamp curved with serrated jaws. It is used to clamp the uterine artery, ovarian ligament, and broad ligament pedicles before cutting. Zeppelin clamp. These are long, slightly curved clamp used for broad ligament and uterine pedicles. It provides deep pelvic reach. Worthium clamp. Just similar to Zeppelin but heavier in weight. It is used when strong pedicle compression is required. Right angle mixer clamp. This is a critical safety instrument used for passing ligators around uterine vessels and pedicles while protecting the ureter. Its angled tips allows clamping in tight spaces without blind dissection. Third step is grasping and traction instruments, for which we go with LS forceps. These are traumatic multi-toothed forceps used for holding the fascia, vaginal cuff, and uterine wall for retraction. Babcock forceps. These are atraumatic forceps used to hold ovaries, tubes, and bowel without crushing tissues. Next instrument is uterine tenaculum. These are sharp, strong toothed grasper used to hold and manipulate the uterus while freeing the pedicles. Next step is exposure and retraction. Deaver retractor. This is large curved retractor used to retract abdominal walls and bowel for visualization. Doin retractor. That is smooth curved pelvic retractor used inside the abdominal cavity for deep pelvic exposure. Bladder retractor. That is used specifically to retract and protect the bladder while clamping the lower uterine segment. Self-retaining retractor. That holds the surgical field open without manual assistance. It improves stability and visualization during long surgeries. Irrigation, suction, and closure instruments, for which we go with suction cannula that clears blood and fluid from the pelvis to maintain visibility of surgical field. Needle holder holds curved needles for suturing and pedicle ligation. Tooth and non-tooth dissection forceps. Tooth forceps for skin and tough tissues, while non-tooth forceps for delicate pelvic structures. Sponge holding forceps. These are used for swabbing pelvic cavity, vagina, and surgical field. Especially helpful for atraumatic cervical traction when needed. So, after incision, retractors expose the surgical field. Uterine vessels are clamped using Henny or right-angled clamps, while the ureter is protected. Pedicles of the broad ligament and ovarian ligament are clamped using Zebulon or Worthium clamps, cut using myocisors, and ligated using a needle holder. Keep in mind, always clamp pedicles under direct vision. Use right angle clamps to safeguard the ureter. Prefer atraumatic graspers for bowel and adnexa. Finally, the vaginal cuff is sutured and layers are closed using appropriate suture materials. Hysterectomy instruments serve exposure, hemostasis, traction, pedicle control, and suturing. Their correct use ensures anatomy protection and safe uterine removal.
Visit our playlist.gyne instruments and procedures on Medscope.